Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make clarified butter at home from shop bought butter bars. I used to buy clarified butter from the shops all the time, but when I realized there is a lot of chemicals and preservatives added for longer shelf life, I decided to make it at home. So let's start making the clarified butter. For this I've taken 3 to 50 grams of unsalted butter bars. If you do not want to make a bigger batch, you can just make it with one butter bar. Now let the butter bars completely melt by occasionally stirring it. Make sure you stir occasionally and flip it over so that it is melting evenly. Once the butter bars are completely melted, turn the heat to low and keep stirring occasionally. As the butter is coming to the boiling point, there will be froth forming and it will be bubbling up. Keep stirring at this stage and we're going to remove the froth in a minute. Butter got a lot of water content in it as well as some milk solids. That's the reason it is bubbling up. It's very important to evaporate all the water in low heat so that your clarified butter will have a better shelf life. So I'm slowly taking off all the froth using a spoon. You don't have to discard this. It's very tasty to eat with rice or even you can spread it on a toast. If you're finding it difficult to remove the froth using the spoon, you can filter it through a strainer so it is much more easier. You might be thinking, why do we need to remove the froth? That's mainly because the milk solids in the froth will settle down on the bottom of the pan and it will burn, and this will give a different taste to the clarified butter. To avoid this, it's better to remove the froth. There will be still bubbles forming. That's mainly because of the water content in the butter. After some time, it will settle. We need to boil the butter in low heat at least for 20 to 30 minutes. Now as you can see, there are still bubbles forming, but there is no froth. This will settle down soon. Also you can see the clarified butter color has become lightly golden. Keep stirring for another 5 minutes until all the water content is completely evaporated. Now there will be nice aroma coming as well as the color of the clarified butter become nice and golden. Now you can turn off the heat and let the clarified butter cools down a bit. Once it is cooled down, filter it through a strainer again and remove the remaining milk solids. Now your homemade clarified butter is ready to use. I can certainly say that this is much better than any shop bought clarified butter. If you like this recipe, please try it yourself and let me know your feedback. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.